mai koutou, Kor Carlie tuku ingoa. My name is Carlie. It's day 3 of term 2.
E mō ātara WINTON School, Kor Tiana ia. I am Tiana. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news. May the 4th be with you.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is hua-rakau, which is te reo for fruit.
As in aporo,
I.
as in panana.
I.
Hua-rakau, which is te reo for fruit.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. High VIZ vests. We need to wear them to and from school.
Especially as the mornings are getting darker and darker.
Year 5s to 8s are allowed over the road to play at intervals.
Make sure you are crossing Eglinton St at pedestrian crossing carefully.
Let's talk about that, koutou. There are 2 crossings, Clyde Street and Eglinton St.
Both are managed after school. The Year 7 road patrol team.
So use the crossing not halfway down Eglinton St, koutou.
Still, with health and safety news, when playing at the nature area, please leave the edging sleepers in place, please.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Metaphor news. Lots of students having fun yesterday, and there are a few points interested to share.
Please use manners and take care when jumping and climbing down.
Make sure there is room for you before trying to squeeze into small places.
And share the air, koutou. Too many people think they are the king of all that they can see. Remember what happened to Yertle the turtle?
Hot chocolate and cookie time cookies news.
All Fridays in term 2 and 3, the PTA in year 8s will be selling hot chocolates, cookie time cookies and sausage sizzles.
Hot chocolate and cookies being sold for Year 8 camp fundraisers. There's more info in today's newsletters. Cookies are $1 and hot chocolates are 50 cents. Kia ora.
Birthday news. We have one birthday today at WINTON School. Teresa Ardendorf is turning the lucky number 7.
Happy birthday, Teresa. Have a great day.
And that's it for today. From here on air here at the N.E.W.S news. Ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.
Haria and stay sharp, WINTON School.